everyone. So I'm coming out today to show you let me step back as best as I can. Oops. This is the roses I showed you the other day. They're in full bloom. This is about 5 feet tall, and I'm very happy and lucky to have her. She has been through serious windstorms and like 80 miles an hour. I have to tie her up. She has also been in 2 very serious hurricanes with flooding, and we had 10 feet of water back here, well, surrounding the whole house, as you all know. We were in Superstorm Sandy, and she took 10 feet of salt water, and all I did back then, that was 2012, was hose her down, and I let her be. And that's all we do every year, is we let her, there's a lot of new buds, see that? We let her be. And as long as I let her be, she treats me to this wonderful delight. Now I'm going to block you out for a minute because I want to show you the other one. Hold still. This girl also went through the same windstorms, hurricanes, salt water, 10 feet high. And this is about as tall as she's ever gotten. And she's about 3 feet high. That's not to say that she won't bloom or get taller, because I do have in here, where you can't see, there's a lot of new little growth. So I just wanted to say thank you for looking. Here, get close. Smell that? Ah, beautiful. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great one. Bye now.